Here's a hard truth, my sewing friends. In 5 years, your grandbaby is not going to remember that plastic toy that lit up and played 11 different songs at full volume at 6 a.m. But they will still have the blanket you made them. The one with the wonky stitch on the corner that only you know is there. Today, I'm showing you 9 things to sew for the little ones under 5 in your life. Projects that are quick, budget-friendly, and actually get used, not shoved in a drawer. If you've ever sewn a toddler something adorable, only to watch it get loved for exactly 4 days before it disappears into the toy graveyard, I feel that. So every project on this list passed one test. Would a real toddler actually want to touch it, chew it, drag it around the house, or wear it without a meltdown? These aren't precious keepsakes that live on a shelf. They're made to be used, washed, and used again. Grab your coffee, and if you're new here, hit subscribe. I post a new beginner-friendly sewing project every week. No fancy machine required for most of these. Let's get into it. Project 1. Soft fabric building blocks. 6 fabric squares sewn into a cube, stuffed with polyfill or even scrap fabric to keep it budget-friendly. That's it. That's the whole project. No zippers, no buttons, nothing a curious little one can choke on. The trick that makes these look professional instead of homemade: mix your prints. 1 bold pattern, 1 solid, 1 stripe per block. Suddenly, it looks like something from a boutique baby store, not a scrap bin. Cotton quilting fabric works perfectly, and this is a fantastic stash buster if you've got fat quarters sitting around doing nothing. Project 2. Reversible baby bibs. And I want you to really hear the word reversible here, because this is the little upgrade that makes people think you bought these. 2 fabrics, 1 flannel or terry cloth backing for absorbency, sewn together and finished with a simple snap or cam snap closure. Any mom or new parent in your life will tell you, you can never, ever have too many bibs. They go through 4 a day easily. Make a set of 6 in coordinating fabrics, and you've got a baby shower gift that actually gets opened first. Project 3. The Lovey Security Blanket. It's a small security blanket, usually with a little stuffed animal head sewn onto one corner. Soft, minky fabric on one side, cotton on the other. Maybe a satin ribbon tag they can rub between their fingers. That little detail matters more than you'd think. Here's the thing about Loveys. They become the object. The one that has to come to daycare, to grandma's house, to the car, to bed. If you make one of these, you are not just making a gift. You are making the thing they will search the house for at 2 a.m. That's a big job for a small piece of fabric. Project 4. Toddler Apron. If you've got a little one who wants to help in the kitchen or get messy with paint, this is your project. Oilcloth or laminated cotton is perfect here because it wipes clean. But a sturdy cotton duck cloth works too if that's what you've got on hand. Add 1 front pocket for holding a wooden spoon or a paintbrush. And honestly, this becomes the excuse for you and that grandkid to bake something together every time they visit. That's not a bad return on an hour of sewing. If you're finding this helpful, tap that like button. It genuinely helps this video reach other grandmas who need it. And drop a comment telling me which grandkid you're sewing for and how old they are. I read every single one, and it helps me plan future videos around what you actually need. Okay, let's keep going. We've got 5 more. 5th. A simple pair of elastic waist pants or shorts. I know clothing sounds intimidating, but hear me out. This is genuinely one of the easiest garments in sewing. No zipper, no buttonholes, just 2 leg pieces, a casing, and elastic thread through it. Cotton jersey knit is the most forgiving fabric for beginners because it stretches and hides imperfect seams. And here's the real secret. Toddlers grow like weeds. So a slightly too big pair with a snug elastic waist just becomes next season's pants. You're basically buying yourself extra time before they outgrow it. Sixth, the quiet book, sometimes called a busy book. This is felt pages bound together, each one with a different activity. It takes a bit longer than the other projects on this list, but it is hands down the gift that gets the most "Grandma, how did you make this?" reactions from parents. Start with 3 or 4 pages your first time. You do not need to make all 10 pages people show off online. A quiet book with 4 solid activity pages beats an unfinished one with 10 half-done pages sitting in your project pile. Project 7. Stuffed softie, bunny or bear. Not the complicated, jointed teddy bears with 5 pattern pieces and safety eyes you have to hand set. I mean the simple kind. 2 body pieces, floppy ears, embroidered or felt features so there's nothing a toddler can pull off and put in their mouth. And honestly, a slightly lopsided handmade bunny has more charm than a perfectly symmetrical store-bought one. This is the project where imperfect reads as special, not mistake. Project 8. Drawstring snack bag. This might be the fastest project on the whole list. 15 minutes. Maybe 20 if you're chatting on the phone while you sew, which, no judgment, we've all done it. 2 rectangles of cotton, a casing at the top, a cord or ribbon threaded through. Parents use these constantly. It's not glamorous, but it is the project that gets used every single day, which honestly might matter more than the glamorous ones. And 9th, a reversible bucket hat. Sun protection that toddlers, for some reason, will actually keep on their heads better than a regular sun hat. Probably because it looks a little bit like a bucket, and toddlers respect a good bucket. Cotton on both sides, or cotton on one side and a lightweight canvas on the other for extra sun protection. Make it reversible, and you've essentially made 2 hats for the effort of 1.5. That's just good math. So that's your list. Soft blocks, reversible bibs, a lovey, a toddler apron, elastic waist pants, a quiet book, a stuffed softie, a snack bag, and a reversible bucket hat. 9 projects, most of them beginner-friendly. All of them things a real toddler will actually use and probably drag around the house until it falls apart at the seams, which, let's be honest, just means you get to make them another one. If you want the simplified pattern pieces for the 3 easiest projects on this list, the blocks, the bib, and the snack bag, just comment the word "Grandkid" below, and I'll send it your way. If you enjoyed this, you'll love the video right here,